Hello guys, once again I came back. My name is Akash. So guys, मेरा नाम आकाश है. Today in this video I will speak in Hindi too because there are some people. This video is basically for all of those people who all are basically not able to understand English. So I just want to make this video in Hindi. तो गाइस इन इस वीडियो में हम बेसिकली एक डैशबोर्ड बनाएंगे. ओके, डैशबोर्ड बनाएंगे, वो भी सेल्स डैशबोर्ड बनाएंगे. आई हैव वन डेटा, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. वेट, सो लेट मी ओपन दिस डेट. आई बिलीव या वी हैव बेसिकली दिस डेटा. हम पे ये डेटा है. इस डेटा के बेस पे बेसिकली हम रिपोर्ट बनाएंगे. बट उससे पहले हम कुछ बातें समझते हैं. ठीक है, डेटा होता क्या है. ठीक है, डेटा होता है क्या और रिपोर्ट क्या होता है और डैशबोर्ड क्या होता है. ओके, दिस थिंग्स वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न. Okay, data is basically is the collection of the records. I believe collection of the records, collection of the information basically. Okay, ये एक data is basically the information of something. डेटा किसी चीज़ की एक इन्फॉर्मेशन होता है. लेट्स सपोज कि यहाँ पे ये डेटा है. अभी ये डेटा हम किसी चीज़ की इन्फॉर्मेशन है. ये सेल्स की पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें दे दी गई है. ठीक है, कि ए ब्रांच में कितनी सेल थी, इन्फॉर्मेशन है. सिटी में कितनी सेल है, ये भी इन्फॉर्मेशन है. मेल फीमेल, कौन ज़्यादा परचेज कर रहा है, कौन ज़्यादा परचेज नहीं कर रहा है, वो ये भी चीज़ हमारी क्या है, इन्फॉर्मेशन है. सो डेटा इज बेसिकली द कलेक्शन ऑफ द इन्फॉर्मेशन. ओके, एंड रिपोर्ट क्या होती है. रिपोर्ट होती है समराइजेशन ऑफ द डेटा. डेटा को समराइज करके हम एक पीवी टेबल बना देते हैं, या कुछ फंक्शन लगा के कुछ डायनेमिक टेबल बना देते हैं, ताकि वो चीज़ मतलब पूरे डेटा को वो एक छोटी सी रिपोर्ट रिकवर कर ले, और उस रिपोर्ट को देखते ही लोग समझ जाए हाँ इस डेटा में ये बात हो रही है. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड द रिपोर्ट. एंड डैशबोर्ड इज लाइक द समरी ऑफ द मल्टीपल रिपोर्ट्स. ठीक है, डैशबोर्ड क्या होता है. डैशबोर्ड रिपोर्ट्स को द समरी ऑफ द रिपोर्ट. मल्टीपल हम पे रिपोर्ट्स पड़ी हैं, लाइक तीन चार टेबल है, 5 टेबल है, 6 टेबल है, 7 टेबल है. तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग क्या है कि हम उस पर डैशबोर्ड बना देते हैं. वो मल्टीपल रिपोर्ट्स का पूरी अपडेट आपको एक डैशबोर्ड के अंदर मिल जाएगी. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस, दिस आर द मीनिंग ऑफ डेटा एंड डेटा डैशबोर्ड एंड रिपोर्ट्स. सो okay, let's understand the concept and understand the task actually what we have to perform. क्या परफॉर्म करना है यहाँ पे परफॉर्म सिंपली हमें 2 चीज़ करनी है, नहीं 4 चीज़ें करनी है. Okay, so I'm not going to make that dashboard that much this like this dashboard is not going to be that much high level dashboard. Basically इतना high level dashboard नहीं है. High level dashboard I will tell you later on, but ऑन इनिशियल स्टेज पहले हम ये देख लेते हैं. देन इसी के बेस पे सेम डेटा से हम एक अच्छी रिपोर्ट बनाएंगे. ओके, बट या दिस ऑल्सो इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी परफेक्ट. सी हाउ. इसमें हम डायनेमिक पिवट टेबल यूज़ करेंगे, बताएंगे. इसमें हमें दिखाना है ब्रांच वाइज. ओके, एंड सिटी वाइज. ब्रांच वाइज, सिटी वाइज क्या दिखानी है हमें, सेल्स दिखानी है. ओके, और ब्रांच वाइज सिटी वाइज सेल्स दिखानी है. एंड कस्टमर टाइप. या अब हम इसमें एक चीज हम और दिखा सकते हैं कि हमारी जो प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ रही है, जो सेल्स हमारी बढ़ रही है, वो मेल के थ्रू ज़्यादा बढ़ रही है, फीमेल के थ्रू ज़्यादा बढ़ रही है. ठीक है, और हम हाँ ठीक है ये करेंगे. एंड ये जो मोड ऑफ पेमेंट है, इन मोड ऑफ पेमेंट में कौन सा मोस्ट प्रेफरेबल मोड ऑफ पेमेंट लोग ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रहे हैं, हम उस पर भी बात करेंगे. ठीक है, सो पहले हम डेट देख लेते हैं. डेट हमारी ठीक है, आई डोंट थिंक सो डेट ठीक है हमारी. सो डेट देख लेते हैं. नो, डेट इज नॉट. सो वी हैव टू मेक दिस डेट. डोंट वरी, लेट्स वी आर कीपिंग सम डेट हियर. लेट ऑल द डेटा रेंज बिटवीन 08/08/2019. Okay, 31/12/2020. Okay, so no, it should be 19 because this is the data of only of 1 year. Okay, so the data we have got it. So now let's make it dynamic. First of all, we have to create an offset function here in order to make this data dynamic. Offset, in height you have to provide counter like this, and here you have to provide like this. Copy this formula and go to formula bar and define name and define offset. You can define and paste your formula here and OK. Now you have to basically click here helping sheet basically. Okay, so alt NV it's for pivot table. Okay, you have to write here what that name offset which you have given in formula bar offset. Okay, so branch you are giving here and you can consider total as a sales. Okay, but yeah, fine. So this is the sales which we have found it in this table. So let's copy it again and paste it. Now city wise data I want unselected and selected. Okay, and now what else we want that okay like हमारी जो सेल्स है वो किस मेल या फीमेल के वजह से ज़्यादा इंक्रीज हो रही हो वो देख लेते हैं जेंडर प्रोवाइडर. Okay, so like this we are going to provide. So you can remove your grand total from here, design subtotal, do not show, perfect. ठीक है, डन. चलो और अब मुझे देखना है कौन सा सबसे मोस्ट प्रेफरेबल मोड ऑफ पेमेंट यूज कर रहे लोग, तो वो देख लेते हैं. ब्रांच को हटा देते हैं और इसको यहाँ ले आते हैं और पेमेंट को हम यहाँ ले आएंगे एंड ग्रैंड टोटल आप डिज़ाइन में जाके ग्रैंड टोटल से यहाँ से ऑफ कर दो. आई मीन सॉरी, यहाँ से ऑफ कर दो. ओके, आप भी इसे ऑफ कर दो. Okay, this is a small the report which you have here. This is called the report. ये report है हमारी एक नंबर. ठीक है, but here we have to show also two things. Okay, like sales we have to show how month wise sales we want to show you. So you have to basically make, you can create here, copy this data and paste it here. Here you can remove your branch and put your date here. Date, how you are going to put. Guys, it's very simple. I'm telling you, it's so much simple, guys. I'm just making it. Okay, and you can go on group, remove the days and press OK. Okay, so this is the month wise sales, but here we have to show one thing और एक चीज़ और दिखानी होगी. कंपैरिजन दिखाना है हमें कि लास्ट ईयर में क्या सेल थी और अब और इस ईयर में क्या सेल है. सो इसका भी कंपैरिजन दिखाना है. सो देखते हैं लास्ट ईयर से. गाइज ये चीज़ यहाँ से तो कुछ नहीं सेंस बनेगा, आपको पता है, 0 आएगा, ये ठीक आएगा. बट वी हैव टू शो लाइक दिस कि अगर आज हमारी जो सेल है फेब में, फेब माइनस जेड कितनी कम हुई है हमारी सेल. दिख रहा है आपको, ये हमारा यहाँ 0 ही आएगा. द रीज़न इज सिंपल, बिकॉज सेल से पहले कुछ भी नहीं है. copy and guys ये कम हो सकता है बट ज़्यादा नहीं बढ़ सकता. So this is the reason I just taken one column, one helping column. Now अब मुझे यहाँ पे परसेंटेज दिखा देनी है क्या ग्रोथ क्या ग्रोथ हो रही है बेसिकली इसकी. ये 2009 की हमारे पास सेल है. But guys, you have to I just try करते थोड़ा इसको और अच्छे से बनाने की. It's still pivotable, but I don't want it to be pivotable now. Okay, so I'll remove it. Okay, guys, you can see. So no, we have to zero. Here you have to basically provide this. Yes, guys, that's fine. Okay. You just need to delete it and put here VLOOKUP. You can make it dynamic like this. Okay. So here, here almost we have done. So you can growth. Guys, we have to also show growth. Guys, here the thing. Okay, like in the month of Jan, the sale was 24,000 something, and last year obviously it would be zero, and percentage also would be zero. But in the Feb, the sales held like 22,000 of something. Okay, as compared to the last year, the 1400 something is less. Okay, in this month, in the in Feb month. Okay, and it's mean that 50% growth we have gone down. Okay, so this is the report basically we have created. Now we have to summarize it in the dashboard. How we can do it? See, dashboard basically I am just going to write. So remove the grid line first. Okay, you can text now dd y. Guys, so basically we have got our name and all these things. Let's color it first. Okay, fill effect. We can take something else here. Let's suppose this one, and here let's take something very from center. No, but I think we should take this one. Yep, I think it's fine. Yep, great. So let's make a small header here. Sales dashboard. We can write of 2019. Okay. So fill effect. You can give this name. Here you can do this. So let's see how does it look. It's not that much good, but I think I should make it below. Yeah guys, I think it's looking good. It's looking good. अच्छा लग रहा है देखने में. Okay. So basically just yeah guys. So here we have to create one chart. Okay. Mm, branch wise, basically branch wise, we want to show the sales. So go to insert, file, and click this one. Cut and paste. Let's decorate it. Right click and hide all the buttons. Delete it. Remove the grid lines. Let's rename the total as branch wise sale. Branch wise sales. Okay. Yeah guys. So basically we have to it's code. I'm sorry guys. थोड़ी तबीयत खराब है. Fill. Let's fill something good color. I think it's fine. I think white is perfect. I believe. Let's begin to take the design from here too. I think it's perfect. Remove the grid lines. Remove it and add the data labels outside. And click and no, I think it's perfect like this. Yeah guys, branch wise sale, and now I want to show city wise sale. Insert and cut, paste. See guys, click here, format and paste. You have to just something happen here. Hide all buttons, remove this one, but ultimately we have to take the design. So for the taking the design, just come and put it here. Remove it, remove it here. City wise sales basically. City sales. Okay, I think it's looking good. It's looking good. Remove the total and add the data label. Okay guys, now we want to basically we want to show here. Okay, कि मतलब मेल या फीमेल के वजह से हमारी जो सेल्स है वो ज़्यादा हो रही है. ओके, या कम हो रही है. सो यहाँ पे हम एक कॉलम बना लेते हैं. If this value, ग्रेटर देन इससे है, ग्रेटर देन और ग्रेटर देन ऑब्वियसली ग्रेटर देन इससे है, देन ये मेरा हो जाए फीमेल हैज purchased more products. Okay. Else male has purchased more products. Okay. So here female has purchased more product. How much? How much extra? Yeah. So like this you can count. Female has purchased more product. How much? Enough. So that's what we are going to show. This minus this. Okay. We will put here one more function which is round. Function we can put then geo. Okay. This is the sales. Okay, this sale has female extra, like purchased as compared male. Else not, then it should be round this minus this in 0. Okay, so now it's fine. So basically, yeah, we are going to do very simple thing. We are going to make one pie chart here. So go to insert this pie chart. Insert pie chart. Analyze considering so don't worry, we can also get one. And right click, show field, and remove it and place the gender here. Now I'm just going to give cut it and paste it. Now see guys, remove all the buttons from here, hide all buttons. Here we are going to give what? Equal, sorry, we have to press nothing, we have to just click here. Oh, equal to helping sheet and put this one. Okay, so it will automatically let you know female has purchased more product this much. Okay, so like this you can come to know. Control B and let make it little bit bigger and put it on the bottom. This it on the bottom. Okay, so color should be change here, format. Shape will basically go to design, we should choose for right. Let's take it out. Okay guys, so here let's make it little bit bigger and make it small. We have to adjust it. Guys, see, it's looking good now. So let's stretch it a little bit more. Okay. Now here, okay, we have shown all these things. Now we want to show which is the most preferable mode of payment which people actually prefer. So go to insert, and you can search for this one. Okay, paste it here and come here. Let's make it design. We have to choose the same. Perfect. Hide all buttons. Remove it. Remove it. Most preferable. Sorry. Most preferable mode of payment. Dark it, I suppose, and increase it a little bit. Perfect, it's looking good. We have to add the data label outside and make it like this. Now you have to just show it however you want. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. Now the final thing, we have to show this one comparison. Okay, how? See, go to insert, select directly this one. Okay, and cut it and paste it. It's very we have to decorate it very carefully. How? So guys, you can see the firstly the data. Change chart type. Okay, you can see now combo is like line chart growth. Okay, growth. No, remove it. I think it's fine. Guys, see, as per the month we can see the last year's sale is like you can see it gone in minus. So like it is actually going in minus in less than zero. You can see it. Okay, so let's decorate it. How we can decorate it better so that people will understand properly. So we have to basically how cut it, paste it. Let first of all set this one. How we can set it properly? Set it like this. Format data series. Fill. Gradient. Choose this one. Or like here you can gradient and line. Gradient line. Not it should be solid, completely blank. I think it should be green. Okay, green, and we have to increase the width. Okay, we have increased the width, and it should not be dash or something. Oh, yep. So I think dash is not that much good, so we have to basically leave it as a plain. Okay, now we have to use it here. Marker. Marker should be solid, and marker option built in. Please, let's suppose square, and increase it. How you can increase? Great. Okay, green here, and here you can just leave it. Now we want to fill it. Okay, this format and shape fill, you can fill. I believe this one. I think it's not that much good. No. So let's take it. Let's take it yellow one. Okay. Comparison of user sales and along with growth. I think it's fine. Guys, now just decorate little bit more here. Bold it, and increase it. Or increase it like this. So I think it's looking much better, right? So now we have to do one thing more. We have to show it. We have to also show it how we can show it. So I think there is no space, remain. So let's make it a chest somewhere. Yeah, guys, see. Okay. So this space basically I leave it for the slicer. So let me create some slicer here. Insert, not, and design, analyze, and insert slicer. So here we are going to insert the slicer branch, city, and gender, and not a gender, but payment mode. Perfect. Okay. But one thing we have to do here, what we have to create here one more column of the month. Month text. December. Once we will basically refresh it first of all the pivot table, so we will be able to get that column also. Refresh all. Perfect. So now go again, analyze, insert slicer, and now we will be able to see the month name too. Month name. Okay. So guys, let's cut and paste it here first. I have to make it adjust. Option, it should be 12. Okay. Guys, see. Okay, so let's design it little bit. Go to option and give this one. And same with payment mode. Payment mode would be 3 here. Option should be 3. Okay, we have to come and we have to do the same and give the same color to this one also. And city, paste it. And same you have to give here 3. Okay, give the same color. Branch wise still we want to see. Again give 3. Let's see. So almost we have created our dashboard here. So guys, once you will click on Gen, so all the things are not going to be changed. Why? Because we have to connect our slicer with all the pivot table. How? So let's see how. You have to click here, okay, and go to analyze and filter connection, month name, okay, and one more here which is called I'm just report connection. That thing where it is. So let me yep, create and there should be the report. Yeah, come here and click right click, report connection, connect with all the pivot table. Okay, connect with all the pivot table. Okay, same with this one, report connection, click, okay, okay, okay. Okay, same with this one too. Same with this one, report connection. Okay, okay. So at the moment you will click on Gen data will be filtered. You see, June, July. If you want to see, the down, then how you will see it like this. Are you getting it? See guys. In the month of Jan 2019, the cash people used to pay for this much and credit card this much, e-wallet this much, you know. So like this, and you can also select multiple selection like this. Okay, and now you can see your the comparison to here. Let me tell you. See guys. So this is the comparison you can do it. So I hope guys you love this video, and so you can hide this like this so that people will never know actually what you did. Okay, data is available here and your dashboard. That's it. Okay, if you don't want to, just you can also hide this part too. Okay, and just click here. Let city wise, branch wise you can see, and September wise you can, month wise. It's your wish. So I think almost it's done. So thank you guys. I hope you will like this video. If you have any doubt, any query, you can drop me mail, and you can also write your doubts and query comment box. Thank you.